In this video, I'll show you how to clear the DirectX Shader Cache on Windows. Let's get started. Open the Windows search. Search for Disk Cleanup. Open Disk Cleanup. If prompted, select your Windows drive. Usually this is the C drive. Then click OK. Wait for Disk Cleanup to scan your files. Find DirectX Shader Cache. Check only the DirectX Shader Cache option. This will only remove temporary shader cache files. It will not delete your games, your saved files, or your game settings. Now click OK. Click Delete Files. Wait for Windows to finish deleting the cache. Now restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch your game again. Windows will automatically create a new DirectX Shader Cache. Clearing the DirectX Shader Cache can help fix game stuttering, graphical glitches, performance issues, or problems after updating your graphics driver. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.